Manufacturers are always looking for ways to become more effective, efficient, and secure. From minimizing downtime to maximizing AI-driven insights, with the support of CDW expertise, manufacturers can unlock the full potential of their data across departments while overcoming disparate IT and OT systems, siloed teams, and conflicting priorities. Here are 3 ways how. Smart factories are quickly becoming a reality. Investment in OT digitization is growing, inspired by the capabilities of automation and IoT to boost efficiency through automation, reduce downtime with sensor-based identification and remediation, and strengthen security. Combined IT and OT platforms, bridging historically separate ecosystems, create new opportunities for efficiency and agility. When your operations and insights are connected, everything runs smarter. But mature manufacturers know their challenges can't be fixed with technology alone. A well-rounded approach is necessary to break down OT and IT department silos, combine strengths, and optimize efficiency. Our experts bring together IT and OT as we assess your needs, prioritize tech opportunities, and deliver solutions through a broad portfolio of trusted partners. Amazing happens when the power of convergence is within your reach. To learn more about IT-OT convergence, contact your CDW manufacturing team or visit us at cdw.com/IT-OT-convergence.